Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks Online Payroll. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and locate the Payroll tab on the left-hand navigation bar. From there, you'll select Get Started or Payroll Settings to begin the initial setup process. You'll need to choose the payroll service that best fits your business, whether it's basic, enhanced, or full service. This ensures you have the right features for your team. Next, you'll add your employees one by one. For each employee, enter their personal information, including their address and social security number. Crucially, you'll also input their W-4 information for federal and state tax withholdings. Don't forget to add your company's Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, and any relevant state tax ID. Finally, set up their pay schedules and hourly or salary rates. Now it's time to customize your payroll preferences. Decide if you'll offer direct deposit, and if so, ensure you have each employee's bank details. You'll also need to connect your business bank account to QuickBooks Online Payroll. This allows for seamless payment processing and tax filings. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered to prevent any errors before running your first payroll. With everything set up, you're ready to run your first payroll. QuickBooks Online Payroll will guide you through the steps, calculating gross pay, deductions, and net pay for each employee. It also handles the calculation and filing of your federal and state payroll taxes, saving you valuable time. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This streamlined process helps keep your business compliant and your employees paid accurately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.